Hi folks, here's the steps to assemble and install ceiling fan. First, insert the bottom bracket and then insert the wiring into the middle section and tighten the bolts and nuts with wrench. Secure the screws at the bottom clamp to hold the middle section. Then insert the bottom cover followed by the top cover. Now secure the top bracket of the middle section and tighten it with wrench. Remember to remove the upper bracket to release the rubber gasket to be installed at the ceiling bracket later. Now, secure all the fan blade to the body and tighten. Now, for wiring, connect the control cable to the controller module. Insert the rubber gasket and install the bolt provided and tighten. Ensure the fan safety line is secured to the ceiling bracket and connect the power supply wiring. And finally slide up the fan cover. And now the installation is done. Until next video.